Alright, so today I'm going to do a quick video on checking the brakes on my truck. They seem like there's a squishy pedal, so I'm thinking that the pins might be stuck in the front calipers. So I'm just going to check those out real quick, kind of show you my process on how to free up a stuck caliper if it is actually indeed stuck. And also I'm trying to get more comfortable on camera, so just kind of deal with my cringiness for now, but I'm working on it. First I got to play car limbo or car musical chairs here, because I got to move my M3 and in order to get my truck in front of the garage. Of course, as soon as I go to record, it's got to be super windy out. I'm also going to be taking this opportunity to put my 33s on, my summer wheels for my truck, because it's pretty late in March. It's not snowing anymore really, the weather's kind of breaking, so, and the tires are fine, so even if it does snow, it's not really a big deal. I just do it for the cosmetics. First thing you're going to want to check is these slide pins in here. Usually the problem is when you have a squishy brake pedal, after the first time you push it, it's squishy, second time you push it, it's hard and stays hard. Usually some of the pins are frozen, so the caliper has to push the piston all the way out in order to make contact, and then it retracts in over time and you have to push it all the way out again. So I'm going to check these real quick. Just a couple of 18 mils. Very, very tight 18 mils. Oh! Jeez. Apologize for the bad angle. Oh. Sucker's tight. Eat impact, scum. Okay, well, that one looks pretty good. Maybe we could use a little bit of grease. This caliper actually looks pretty good. It looks fairly new. These are not frozen, at least on this side. Just clean these off. Some silicone paste on there. Reinsert. These do not have to be as tight as they were when I took them off. Same thing to this top one here. These actually look really good. Alright, so that's it for this side. That's all I really needed to check. The pads move around. Everything else on this side looks good. I'm going to check the other side off camera. If there's a problem, I'll start recording again and show you how to fix it. If not, this might have been a really short video. Putting the big old 33s on there. Gonna run these down snug for now. Make sure it's over the hub of the, well, in my case it's a hub centric wheel spacer. If it's the regular hub, the same ring will be there. Just make sure it's seated all the way. Lastly, I'll just give it a quick shake, make sure nothing's loose. Everything feels nice and tight. Should, considering I've done a lot of work to it over this last year. All right, so I just went around the whole truck, every wheel. The only thing I could determine is that the front calipers are just kind of worn out. They're a little mushy. So future video will be me replacing those calipers, but for now I'm just gonna have to live with the squishy brake pedal. On the other hand, check this out. Oh, buddy, she's looking better. The 33s really sell the old girl, I'll tell you. And since this was basically a pointless short video, might as well get some slow-mo of me spraying it off with the pressure washer. Check this out.